everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you already know me, then thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me. But if you're new here, then hi, I'm Tanisha and I make videos about makeup, skincare, product reviews, DIYs and many more. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel to support me. In today's video, I'm going to do a nighttime skincare routine with some Nut Habits products. I have bought a few products here. First, I bought their Geranium case fresh makeup melts makeup removing balm. Next, I bought Ubtan. It is their delicate rose variant. Next, I have their lavender flora water. It is, I think, face mist. It's for skin toning and pore reduction. And last but not the least, I have their Lotus Marula Delicate Night Repair facial oil. It is a blend of 13 oils. So let's get started. First, I'm going to try their makeup removing balm. It is their fresh makeup melt geranium case. It retails for 180 rupees for 25 ml of product. Though I have paid around 129 rupees on discounts, you can always get it on discount. But I'm gonna do this off camera because I have already made a separate video where I have talked about this product in details, and I have also talked about the brand in that video, in my previous video. So in case you want to watch it, I'm gonna link it in the I button. You can check that out. And I will be back after removing my makeup and wash my face with face wash, and then I'm gonna continue with Ubtan and so on. This is how my face looks after I wash my face with a face wash, and this makeup removing balm removed all of my makeup from waterproof mascara to lash glue, and it looks pretty clean. And now I'm gonna continue with the Ubtan, and it comes in a pouch packaging. It retails for 95 rupees for 40 gram of products. It is the delicate rose variants. It's made with besan, moong, charoli, raw milk, yogurt, turmeric, neem, rose and many more. And it is suitable for oily, normal, dry, sensitive and combination skin. I'm gonna apply it now. They have also mentioned that apply it thrice a week as a pack, or you can use it as a face cleanser as well for a daily use. So it's done now. I'm gonna leave it for 8 to 10 minutes, not more than that, otherwise your face can become a little too dry. I will be back and then I will wash it off with normal water, no face wash, nothing, and then I will apply the other product. And this is how my skin looks like after the Ubtan. I don't know about any glow or brightness, but I can feel my skin is squeaky clean and it feels very soft as well. Now I'm gonna jump with the Lavender Flora Gel. This is for 159 rupees for 100 ml, so it is pretty cheap. And it has a very nice fragrance too, like lavender fragrance. I like to apply it after cleaning my skin throughout the day to refresh my skin, and in face pack as well. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna let my skin dry a little bit, and next I'm gonna use Lotus Marula Delicate Night Repair Facial Oil. It has 13 oil blends and it is for how much? 524 rupees for 30 ml of product. Though I bought it for I think 374 on discounts, you can wait for discounts. And not only 13 oils, they also have, I guess, turmeric, walnut, grapeseed and many other ingredients. Oh, first I have to shake it. They have mentioned that you have to shake it well before applying it. I'm gonna shake it and then I'm gonna apply it. I have an acne prone skin, so I don't prefer oil that much, but some days my skin feel a little dry and I prefer oil that time only. Though use 1 or 2 drop only, not more than that, otherwise it can feel a little heavy and oily and greasy. I just took 2 drops on my palm and then I'm rubbing it. And I'm gonna press it, that's all. It's not going to give you an instant results. It will look glowy because of oil, but any skincare product you need at least 1 month to show any visible effects and visible results. You have to apply it at least 1 month, but I don't use it every day because I break out a lot. You can see that yourself. It smells really good and it moisturizes really well, so 2 drops is enough for me. Apply a little bit on your neck as well. I'm gonna finish with a lip balm. It's not from Natabit, but it's from Sugar Lip Balm. I have reviewed this as well. If you wanna watch it, you can watch it. I'm gonna leave it in the eye section. And that's all the product, guys. If I want to recommend, then first I'm going to recommend this makeup removing balm. It is really good, guys. Like, it removes makeup like magic. And second, I will recommend this Ubtan. I know it's gonna finish really soon. They have like given really less quantity, but you have to finish it in 30 days anyways. All of the products have 30 days shelf life. Only this oil got, I guess, 3 months, so you can use it for 3 months. And it actually makes your skin looks very, bright and clean. If this video was helpful, if you liked any of the product, you can buy that. I'm gonna leave those links in the description box as well. And if you're using it, tell me how you like it in the comment box below. And if you want me to try other products from their brand, you can tell me that as well. I will try to come back super soon. Until then, please take care and stay happy. Bye bye.